Can you believe that simple plastic disposable tips are the bread and butter of the world of medicine? That's right, we're talking about pipette tips. Pipette tips are attached to pipettes, which are a common laboratory tool used to transport specific volumes of liquid. Because pipettes are commonly used to transport bacteria, viruses, and other biological agents, they're considered contaminated and non-reusable after a single use. This means that pipette tips greatly contribute to the overall plastic waste that laboratories generate. In fact, at UT Austin, it is estimated that 80,000 pounds of biological waste is generated every year. So how can all this plastic waste be prevented? My research is exploring that if the same protocol that is used to wash laboratory glassware can be applied to plastic pipette tips. The protocol that was followed was autoclave sterilization, a pressure chamber that applies high pressure and high heat, then bleaching and washing. To test this, we first infected the pipette tips with bacteriophage, which is very resistant to changes in pH and temperature compared to other biological contaminants. To quantify how much bacteriophage was left on the tips after washing, the bacteriophage was amplified, which is a process in which the bacteriophage attaches itself to a host cell and replicates and lyses the host cell to produce more bacteriophage. Next, a double-layer plaque assay was performed by diluting the end product of amplification and plating it so we could count and quantify the bacteriophage in the pipette tip. Currently, I have found that 99.99% of the bacteriophage is removed from the tips by using this method, a promising result that will be communicated to UT's Environmental Health and Safety Department to encourage them to treat all plastic waste collected from different UT campuses for reuse or recycle.